Then with the vents, we end up dropping 8 degrees on average, as well as dropping about 200 RPM on the fan speed. That is a massive improvement. And again, all we've done here is channel the airflow where it should be going. The case fans were 1000 RPM for both tests, and the room temp as well was 22°C. 8 degrees, man, that is a pretty big difference with a noise reduction as well. When we take a closer look though, things get even more interesting. This really bothered me. I guess previously there was like hot air recirculating back into the CPU cooler vent or something, because now our CPU temps on average get a 10-degree drop, 100 RPM for both tests. Now with this top intake front exhaust setup, we do see a small increase in the GPU temp. It's an increase of about 2 degrees, but it's a worthy trade-off to keep our CPU much better off now. And I mean, we're still 6 degrees cooler than stock with lower GPU fan speeds, so it's a much better configuration all around. Now, I'll be the first to say that there are obvious limitations to this setup, right? It only works with this set of hardware currently, and if I want to use this in a different system, I would have to redesign and reprint all of these fan ducts, which, is not really a viable solution. But I think more than anything, this really goes to show how bad regular PC airflow is. Like, in most cases, you have fans not really doing anything, you have airflow just generally getting really mixed up, and in almost every single mid-tower case, you have a GPU which is directly heating up your CPU. And it seems like the industry-accepted solution to this problem is just mesh. Just make the entire case mesh if you want, just brute force airflow, keep that interior temperature as low as possible, and that kind of just brute force fixes everything. This solution, though, disregards interior case temperature completely. The air goes in, is funneled directly into the heat sinks, and then it's ejected out immediately. It did also take hours to design, days to print, and only works with this CPU cooler, this GPU, and this case currently. So yeah, obvious limitations there, but the performance, I mean, it is on a different level.